Okay, using my new textured mold for the first time, I've just finished the glass. It is perfectly flat, but look at this. The mold is not flat. That is significant, just to show that the glass itself is flat. Let's tip it up here. Move the posts aside. Let's put the glass down on the candle shelf. And, okay, people, this is flat. It is flat. It is very clear. We're putting this tile back down. The tile itself is rocking in both directions. Put the glass back on, and the tile is defective. Not happy. But I'm going to go ahead and try it and see what happens when I slump into the final tray. Hopefully this problem will correct itself, but I will be contacting the company. This is very poor quality in the mold and unacceptable.